So you might have AI generated some logos in Strikingly. If you have done so, then you can go ahead and edit them out as well. So over here in this page, you can see that I have an AI generated logo. So if I were to go ahead and click on edit, I can actually edit using the image editor. But in order to edit the AI generated logo itself, let's just go to generate logo right here. So you can see the logos right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and choose the AI generated logo right here and apply. But apart from that here, you can see that you get the settings right here, which allows you to download logo package, duplicate and delete. But over here, you can see that I can edit out the logo as well and click on continue to edit, and then you can see that you get onto the editing section right now. So you can choose different, let's say for example, logo type right here. Go to text and font and choose different font for it. As you can see right here, you can go for different styles. You can go ahead and change it. You can change around, let's say for example, the title as well, so that there's a dynamic update of it. And then you can choose another style right here. For the color, you can go ahead and choose a style as you want. And then for the layout, you can see that there's different layouts that you can actually select from. So you can go ahead and choose the one you want. And then you can go ahead and click on save logo. You can save as a copy or save and overwrite. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and overwrite right here, just like this. So this will be overwritten right here. So now as you select, you can see that the logo is updated right here. Even if you were to go to the homepage, so I'm just going to go to the strikingly.com right here. Once you do that, you can actually go around over here onto add-ons, then onto logos right here. Here you can see the AI logo as well, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and edit out the generated logos that you have inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.